What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron, got the recipe, and today I'm bringing you a new expansion pack from Addictive Drums 2. It's called Hip Hop and Gospel, two of my favorite things, and it is really, really good. You want that hip hop sound? It's in the pack. You want that boom bap sound? It's in the pack. You want that gospel sound? It's in the pack. You want that praise break sound? It's in the pack. Hey! You want that neo soul sound? It's in the pack. Whatever you need, it's in the pack. Let's get it. All right, so first things first, want to say thank you to Excellent Audio for bringing me on this project. Hip hop and gospel are my two favorite genres, so this was a lot of fun. I really appreciate y'all. If you ever wanted the recipe sound, my sound in an ADpak, you now have it. And you have a lot of other drummers and musicians to choose from myself to the Pocket Queen to Trevor Lawrence Jr. to my dog Orenji Soul. There are so many talented artists, musicians, sound designers in this pack, and it all sounds amazing. Let's get into it now. So what I'm gonna do is break this down into three different genres. We're gonna do a hip hop, a gospel, and a neo soul genre. So for hip hop, we've got this loop here I created for y'all. We got the gospel. And we got a little bit of like hip hop, neo soul in here for y'all too. Let's start with hip hop. All right, let's put some of my favorites. So I really like this lumber kit. You got the Cubans kit here. Really good stuff here, all right? And if you want to check out my kit, just click on the recipe. All really good stuff. I mean, and there's 99 in here. Like I'm scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Rusty's a good one too. I mean, this just fits so well. Like, if you want that hip hop sound, it is here. And not to mention, you can go in here and tweak things how you want it. For instance, with this snare drum, if I want to add more tape or shape or saturation, my knobs are right here. If I want to turn the pitch up, we got a pitch knob right here. Right, we can even bend it to get a little more crispier and just pull that out. Whole different snare sound, right? We can tune it back as well. Whatever you want, and you can do this with every single instrument. You can also group it to something like a stack, right? So if I like, let's say stack number 2, I can go ahead and link this here, link to the hit. Turn it down a little bit, you know what I mean? Make it barely there, but it's there. want to make sure I plug this in real quick for y'all. Excellent Audio is having their Black Friday sale starting November 19th. Everything will be 50% off. But if you use my code Recipe55, you can save 55% on Addictive Drums, Addictive Keys, EXO, this pack, and everything on the website. Link in the description. Let's get back into it. I mean, what else do you need? Again, there are 99 kits in here. This is just hip hop. Let's move over to the gospel section now. So for the gospel section, I spent quite a bit of time listening to Ty Tribute, Kirk Franklin, Marvin Sapp, Yolanda Adams, Israel New Reed. Just really trying to get that gospel I grew up in, those praise breaks that we all love to hear. So this is one of my favorites. It's called Turn Around. This kit is spot on for praise breaks, spot on for gospel. Let's get into it. About to get me turned up in here now. This kit, one of my favorites, hands down for gospel. Now let me give you some tips and tricks for this kit. All right, it's the one. This is the one. If you want that gospel sound, this is the one. You want to play this flex too. Stack right here. You want to include these stacks. All right. So I've got mines on B flat. But if you had a MIDI kit, you can put it anywhere you want. I just keep mine here, right next to a crash. If you're familiar with Rain on Us, you've got a kit like that in here too by the Pocket Queen. Again, all really, really good sounding kits. I mean, what else do you really need? And again, 99 presets. 99 presets made by some phenomenal, amazing musicians. All right, and lastly, we got some neo soul over here. So if you're looking for a neo soul sound, the lumber kit would be a good one. You got this Pierce kit here as well. This kit is phenomenal. So many good ones in here. Yeah, I mean, what else do you need? I mean, this kit is for boom bap, hip hop, R&B, neo soul, gospel. If you want that premium sound without paying a crazy tag, this is how you do it. This is gonna change the game. No more searching for drums. You have every drum, every preset you'll ever need in this one pack right here. Don't miss out on this one. This is a gem. It's gonna be one to remember. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.